Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, hi. And if you've been here, welcome back. So today's look is a natural, soft, pretty much simple, everyday glam. So let's just go right ahead and get into this look. Ooh, y'all, excuse my lips. They've been dry lately. I don't know. I definitely need to drink more water. I got to drink more water. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes off camera because sometimes your girl just be taking forever. So I'll be right back.
Eventually.
Homegirl went on like a pro. Homegirl sticked to the plan, okay? Y'all, I be so excited about coffee.
So excited! So excited!
Since I'm on this eating healthier, just trying to, do better. So I found a better way to do my coffee. I'm obsessed with Dunkin' Donuts. I love that caramel iced coffee. I just love it. I let it get watered down a little bit, but that's okay. But your girl trying to stay away from dairy and sugar. Before I keep on rambling, let's go ahead and get into the skin. I'm gonna use the Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Face Cream. Oh, this feels so good, y'all. Okay, so now I'm gonna use the Ole Henriksen, the Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum. I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. So as far as foundation, I'm just like kind of stuck. I don't know if I should use the NARS Natural Radiant or the Laura. Which one?
8 hours later.
I'm gonna go with NARS, y'all. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go with NARS. I am gonna apply it with a beauty blender. I went on and damped it with water. Y'all, look how pretty skin like NARS looks. Oh my gosh. You can't tell me nothing. Now I'm gonna go ahead and conceal with the Shape Tape. And also, this is like my first time using the Shape Tape from Tarte. So now we're gonna go ahead and set with the Laura. Now with my nose, I kind of let the powder sit a little bit because I kind of want my contour to be on fleek today. And I always do the sides of my mouth too because it always seems to crease up a lot. Contour, we're gonna use the True Complexion Black Radiance in the medium dark. I'm gonna take a smaller brush to contour my nose. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and blush. It's from Juvia's Place, the Sahara one. Y'all don't mind, my thing is like messy. And I think I'm gonna go with this one, which is Neo. Put it on the apples of those cheeks. Bring it back, bring it back. Nothing too extravagant since we doing a natural look. But look, just look at how blush just kind of like complements the face. You don't even need much, just like a little bit. And it's just like bringing some more warmness to the face, you know? I'm gonna go ahead and use the Melt Gold Ore highlights. So beautiful. silly girl didn't even wipe.
What's wrong with you?
I'm just gonna use my beauty blender and pat it in. Go ahead and put the highlight on now. And I like to put a little bit like under my brow bone, just to kind of make them brows pop a little bit more. I think I'm gonna do the Makeup Forever spray today because your girl is dry. I like to cover my lashes because I don't be want to get those like super wet. So I go like this and into the skin with the beauty blender. Ooh. So yeah, I already know I'm gonna use my Fenty Fuzzy. I don't think I'm gonna line my lips. I think I'm gonna just put the gloss on. No, I am gonna line my lips up very lightly. Sephora lip liner in the color Molasses.
Epilogue.
I hope you guys enjoyed my video today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, peace.